Have you ever looked back at one of your first Procreate drawings and thought, oh, bless my heart? Yeah, it happens to all of us. And actually, I'm probably still making half of those mistakes, but that's just me. Anyways, let's just have a little fun and probably make fun of me a little. This is actually my first Procreate piece. No, that I have. Now, don't get me lying. I'm not lying or anything. No, this was from a drawing course that I took. So it wasn't all on my own. I had guiding hands. I think it was Erica the Goober that I took this course from. It's been a hot minute. Anyways, I grabbed this piece because I like it. It looks good. You're so proud of yourself. You feel like a rock star. And then, and then you look at your little handy dandy layers menu and everything is on one layer because you don't even know what layers are. You don't. This is your future you, and you're realizing that now you live here. There's nothing you can do. The world is over. Dun, dun, dun. But it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. I actually have this on multiple layers, but it was the only one from early on that looked decent that I would be sad about if it was on one layer. There are others, but I wasn't gonna dig. But we've all been there. You're cruising along, you're halfway through a drawing, and it's all it's all on one layer. It's the worst. It's like a gut punch, a sad cry for help when you know no one's going to come.
Future Cynthia and hopefully more awake Cynthia here, realizing while editing that none of this portion of the video was recorded. Evidently, we had our pause button on and we were really loving it. But long story short, your girl didn't know quick shape was a thing until I don't even want to admit how long. You know how many wonky circles I drew? You know how funny they looked? And then quick shape just said, "Hey, how you doing?" And suddenly there was magical unicorns and shiny rainbows and everything was right in the world. Quick shape, I love you. And not to worry, friends. I still haven't figured out that I'm not recording. I didn't even figure it out until I was editing. So, hey, still future me. Much more caffeine. And look at us. Look at me judging myself and that zoom button. Do you see all those pixels? Do you see those lines? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Y'all, we have to have some control. We gotta quit zooming and zooming and zooming. We just need to zoom out a little. Take in the whole piece. It's alright. It looks okay. We don't need to do this to ourselves. We need to quit being so crazy.
How many of you out there are firstborns? Are we the only sufferers of the perfection curse? Is it a curse? I think it must be a curse. I'm still not happy with this little cutie here. But you know how many times I had to play with this brush that I've still decided it's not perfected, so still not available in my shop, guys. But her hair needed to go this way and that way and look realistic. And look, I think it still needs more shadow underneath it to add some depth. And the lighting looks pretty okay on here. It blends together a lot. But think I actually put a blender over it. Oh, this is with the blender. You can't really tell a difference here. But when I put it on Instagram, she looked super dark and super sad. And I'm still not happy with this. It's still a work in progress. But that's me. Still not over that perfectionism. I try to shove it down, shove it down, shove it down. But raise your hand. Give me a like to know I'm not alone. Okay, who do we have next? Mm, mm, mm. Oh, last one. And I'll leave you to go get your own corner of shame. Or maybe go celebrate because you don't do any of these things, or you know all of the things and you're a rock star. But all of these lovely creations, all of these lovely creations. Do you think I've backed them up? You're so funny and also very smart. No, no, no. Don't get me wrong. A lot of them have been moved to my computer. A lot of them, are there, safe somewhere in the interwebs, interweaving the Google Drive. A lot of them are safe. They are. They're locked up. They're snug in their little beds. But others, I fear, they're still over here. They're still in the app, slowly waiting in fear for the day the screen goes black. And I cry in my stupidity. Don't do that, guys. Just finish your artwork, export it, keep it safe, snug as a bug in a rug, somewhere else. Not here. Safe. Safe. That's it, guys. I think those are my deepest, darkest Procreate secrets. I want to know, are you guilty of any of these? Which ones? What do you do? What did you do? What do you do that you shouldn't do? What's one Procreate lesson that you learned the hard way? Let me know in the comments so I don't have to suffer this silliness alone. And if you enjoyed today, go ahead and make sure you hit that like button and subscribe. It's free. I love you. And I'll see you next time. Bye.